Welcome to Star Coverage. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell.
You got a new Mars?
No, I don't have a new
You got nice.
You got checking out all that Millington engineering?
I am the class president. I would like to give honor to God, who is the head of my life. He is the main reason why we're all here today. On the behalf of the class of 2020, I would like to welcome all faculty, parents, family members, and graduates to the class of 2020 graduation ceremony. There are no words to describe the class of 2020. I do know for a fact, each of us strive to be perfect each day we walk into MCHS. Our school holds a lot of memories, like our first day of our freshman year. We were all kind of scared. Some people feared getting lost, others may have feared their teachers, but as the days went on, we got the swing of it. I have a deep feeling inside that tells me this is how life is going to be. We may be a little afraid of something, whether it's getting a new job or moving on to a college campus. Some people. Before we walk into this new world, the first thing we must get out of our minds is fear. Secondly, we must realize that life is going to be hard, and we may all struggle at first, but we'll get through it.
Tonight I have the pleasure of introducing our salutatorian. She's a four-year student of Millington Central High School. While at MCHS, she was involved in many different extracurricular activities and clubs. She was part of the MCHS band for 4 years. This year she became a section leader in the band. She was a part of the MCHS Student Council. While in the Student Council, she served as our Vice President her junior and senior year. She also played a vital role in the Interact Club and the Book Challenge Club. While at MCHS, she earned a weighted GPA of 4.30 and earned a place on our ACT Plus 30 wall. She will graduate with state honors and distinction. She will also receive an honors diploma and will be attending Mississippi State University in the fall, majoring in computer science. It's with great pleasure to introduce our Millington Central High School salutatorian, Ms. Samara Davis.
My entire life, I imagined how my senior year would go. People always say that high school is the best time of your life, with senior year being the highlight. It was supposed to be just that, our peak year, a year where we got to create lifelong memories. Sadly, we'll never get that true senior year experience, and I'm sure many here can relate to feeling cheated out of their experiences. Everything was set in my mind on how this year would go. So what now? First, it's important to remember that it is perfectly fine to feel cheated and hurt. What we are living through is something no one could have predicted, especially not to this magnitude. However, it is important to not let that disappointment consume you. Second, with the excess time we have, we can now dedicate time to new and old hobbies. Whether that's getting back into something you used to be extremely passionate about, or getting into something newer. Whether or not you decide to spend your time doing something that is viable for your future plans, it may serve as a form of self-care. Everyone needs some time for themselves. Third, cherish the little things. Look back over your years in high school and think of those smaller memories, like walking into a class on test day, only to find a substitute. Maybe these memories aren't as extravagant as what's shown in the movies, but that doesn't make them any less special.
He is the son of James Earl. Jeffrey graduated with study honors and distinction and an overall GPA of 4.4063. Jeffrey was a 4-year letterman for the MCHS soccer team. He was an active member of several clubs, including being captain of our baseball team, president of our National Honor Society, and the 30 Plus Club. He was a 4-year member of the NJROTC, where he was a color commander, commander master chief of the MCHS unit, platoon commander. This fall, Jeffrey will be attending the University of Memphis on full scholarship. Please join me in honoring Jeffrey Ford.
Hey there, class of 2020. Yeah. I first want to thank everyone for coming. School board staff, teachers, parents, and the Lord. Thank you. I never thought this was the way the school year would end. If you'd asked me in January, what would I be doing on May 29th, I would have said a multitude of different things. Such as, why? I'm tired, what? Or, I don't know. That's still a really long time from here. In none of these hypotheticals would I have said that I would be graduating. Thanks, 2020. So far, 2020 has soared gracefully, like an eagle piloting a blimp. We should acknowledge the elephant in the room, Corona. Gonna be honest, it made the end of our senior year suck. We lost sports, time with friends. This tassel is not worth the hassle. Senior activities, so many things. But something I've learned in my life is if you can't change the situation, you have to learn to live with it. There's no use in getting heated at reality. I think in times like this, we must turn our attention and care to ourselves. Hard work, push on, tough it out. These phrases have earned somewhat of a negative connotation in the last few years, and I understand why. Fighting through pain may not be the right choice. There are some times where you must take a break and just rest. An endless fight isn't good for the soul. I mean, what's the point of a finish line if you can't enjoy the prize? However, some people have taken this to mean that it's okay to give up. While yes, there are times where it is better to cut your losses and run, but you're playing a dangerous game. Giving up won't solve the problem, it will only delay it. Yet, the worst part of giving up is that it can easily become a habit. After a while, it becomes so easy that giving up is your first response to danger. How do we break this habit? A good mindset is the key. Now we all know the corny sayings on posters. Never get up, you can do it, and believe in the you that believes in yourself. However lame they may sound, there is some truth to them. The first supporter for any of your endeavors has to be yourself. Part of believing in yourself is giving it your all.
Move your tassel from the right of your mortarboard to the left. This change is symbolic of the change in your status as you complete the move from childhood to adulthood.
Although